Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write triangle shape in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that insert right triangle shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a drawing option. Now going to the shape menu option. Now click for a shape option. Now click for the right triangle shape. That's it. Now draw a shape. Then resize your shape. The shape is the color cells. Now click for the fill color option. Then choose color and add the outline color. Now for click, then choose color and click for the border edit option. Now click for 4px. Now click for a 7 colors option. That's it. Then I show insert right triangle shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.